Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is my first video back in Windsor and it's very off topic from my normal audio production stuff. So I was working away, getting stuff ready for Friday's episode of Viewers Comments. Make sure you tune in for that. And went in the house to go get some breakfast and I see a dump truck parked across the street from me. I'm like, okay, nothing major about that. There's a construction project going on up the street, maybe about a quarter mile, and they're resurfacing the road. And then I see the dump truck, do its thing where it tilts its bucket up and starts to dump a small amount of asphalt out onto the street in front of us. And we're like, what the hell is that? I'm like, are they going to fix something? No, the trucker gets out of his truck, grabs a shovel and starts scraping it up and throwing it into the drainage ditch in front of my house. I don't think so. So here's the fallout. We've got asphalt all over the fucking street. Look at this shit. Right here, right here. And of course, we got asphalt in the grass. Yeah, nice job, man. It really smells wonderful over here right now. This is going into this, the Leffler drainage ditch. And that down there is Lake St. Clair, which is our water supply. Yeah, not too bright. It's only going to be a matter of time before this winds up in our drinking water. Now that's an awfully nice present that DiCeasare Trucking left for everybody in this neighborhood. Thanks a lot, fuckers. Yeah, it stinks and it's fucking toxic. What the fuck are you morons thinking? Seriously. Now, I'm pretty sure doing something that sketchy, that stupid, and that fucking lazy isn't exactly legal. And in fact, I've been in touch with the Ministry of Environment and they said the exact same thing, maybe not quite as colorfully as I did though. And they're very interested in seeing the videos, so I promised them I would make this video public and send them a link. Now, I think DiCeasare Trucking has some explaining to do when it comes to this because that's not cool because, yeah, that drainage ditch goes into our fucking water supply, you assholes! The carelessness there just boggles the mind. It's like, go back to your shop and dump that shit there, not out in front of my house. Now, just to be sure, everybody saw the truck number. This was shot from a public roadway, and that was clearly marked for public visibility. We got the truck number, we've got the name of the trucking company, and we even got a little bit of video of the driver. Now, for all you guys wondering why the hell I didn't just go up to the dude and confront him, well, here's the thing. I've been through anger management twice. I know, big shock. And the last thing I want to do is go up and confront somebody like that, because if they don't give a shit about the environment, they might not give a shit about hurting another person as well. And I really didn't want it to devolve into something it didn't need to, because my motto has always been very simple when it comes to sketchy bullshit like this. Don't get mad, get video.